Looking for the best Bluetooth audio receiver for 2026? In this video, we will count down the top Bluetooth audio receivers that can instantly upgrade your home stereo, speakers, or sound system with wireless connectivity and high-quality sound. Whether you want better music streaming, improved range, or advanced audio codecs, we have selected the best options available this year. Stay tuned until the end to find the perfect receiver for your setup. Links in the description. Number 5. The OneMe B06 Ultra Bluetooth 5.3 receiver is an impressive solution for anyone who wants to add modern wireless audio streaming to a traditional home stereo system. Designed for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, this receiver combines advanced Bluetooth technology with premium sound processing to deliver a highly enjoyable listening experience. One of its standout features is LDAC high-res audio support, which allows wireless transmission of audio at up to 24-bit 96 kHz with a maximum bit rate of 990 kilobits per second. This results in noticeably richer detail, improved clarity, and a more immersive soundstage compared to standard Bluetooth receivers. Music enthusiasts will appreciate the ability to enjoy near-lossless audio quality without dealing with cables. Another major strength is the audiophile DAC performance, powered by the ES9018K2M digital-to-analog converter. This high-quality DAC helps reproduce music with exceptional precision, offering clean highs, detailed mids, and controlled bass response. Whether listening to classical music, jazz, or modern recordings, the B06 Ultra delivers a refined and natural presentation. Connectivity is also a highlight, thanks to versatile connections, including optical, coaxial, and 3.5mm outputs. It integrates easily with powered speakers, AV receivers, and traditional stereo systems. Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures a stable connection, while support for aptX HD and aptX low latency enhances both sound quality and synchronization. Additional features such as adjustable volume controls, selectable 3D surround sound, and dual antennas for extended wireless range further increase its value. With reliable performance, premium audio quality, and broad compatibility, the OneMe B06 Ultra is an excellent Bluetooth receiver for anyone seeking a high-fidelity wireless upgrade for their home audio setup. Number 4. The Bluedento BLT-HD Bluetooth 5.4 HiFi receiver is an excellent upgrade for anyone looking to add high-quality wireless streaming to a home audio system. Combining advanced Bluetooth technology, premium digital-to-analog conversion, and versatile connectivity options, this compact receiver is designed to deliver impressive sound performance while remaining simple to use. One of the biggest highlights is its high-resolution audio support. The BLT-HD supports LDAC, aptX HD, aptX lossless, AAC, SBC, and standard aptX codecs, allowing users to stream music with exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you are listening from a smartphone, tablet, or computer, the receiver provides a rich and dynamic sound experience that goes far beyond standard Bluetooth audio quality. Another key advantage is the audiophile-grade DAC. At the heart of the receiver is the Texas Instruments PCM5102A 32-bit and 384 kHz digital-to-analog converter. This premium DAC produces clean, accurate, and detailed sound with excellent separation between instruments and vocals. The result is a more natural listening experience that reveals subtle details often lost in lower-quality wireless audio devices. The BLT-HD also stands out because of its flexible connectivity. It offers RCA stereo outputs along with optical Toslink and coaxial SPDIF digital outputs, making it compatible with vintage stereo systems, modern AV receivers, amplifiers, powered speakers, and external DACs. This versatility ensures easy integration into almost any audio setup. Bluetooth 5.4 technology and the external gain antenna provide reliable, long-range performance and stable connections throughout the home. With its excellent sound quality, premium components, and easy plug-and-play operation, the Bluedento BLT-HD is a fantastic Bluetooth receiver for serious music enthusiasts. Number 3. The OneMe DS220 High-Res HiFi Bluetooth receiver is an excellent choice for music enthusiasts who want to modernize their home audio system without replacing existing equipment. Designed to bring high-resolution wireless streaming to amplifiers, stereo receivers, and powered speakers, This compact device combines premium audio performance with user-friendly features. One of the most impressive aspects of the DS220 is its high-resolution audio quality. Supporting both LDAC and aptX HD codecs, the receiver delivers significantly more detail and clarity than standard Bluetooth streaming. Paired with its built-in audiophile-grade DAC, it produces a rich and immersive sound signature with deeper bass, cleaner vocals, and enhanced instrument separation. Whether listening to lossless music files or streaming from a smartphone, the audio remains detailed and engaging. Another standout feature is the flexible connectivity. The DS220 includes optical, coaxial, and RCA outputs, allowing seamless integration with a wide variety of audio systems. From modern AV receivers to vintage stereo amplifiers, this receiver offers excellent compatibility, making it a practical upgrade for almost any setup. Installation is simple, and the device quickly transforms traditional audio equipment into a wireless music hub. The inclusion of an OLED display and EQ control further enhances the experience. The bright display provides clear information about codec status, volume levels, and active connections. Additionally, 7 selectable EQ modes, including bass, rock, jazz, classical, and pop, allow listeners to customize the sound according to personal preference and music genre. Bluetooth 5.3 technology and dual antennas ensure stable, long-range connectivity with minimal interruptions. Combining premium audio quality, convenient features, and broad compatibility, the 1Me DS220 is an outstanding Bluetooth receiver for serious home audio enthusiasts. Number 2. The Auris Blume Pro HiFi Bluetooth 5.3 music receiver is a premium wireless audio solution designed for serious music enthusiasts who want to bring modern Bluetooth streaming to their existing stereo systems. Combining advanced wireless technology, audiophile-grade components, and elegant design, this receiver offers an exceptional listening experience for home audio setups. One of the most impressive features is its high-resolution wireless audio capability. The Blume Pro supports Sony LDAC, Qualcomm aptX Adaptive, aptX HD, aptX Low Latency, aptX, and AAC codecs, allowing it to deliver remarkable sound quality over Bluetooth. Music streams with excellent detail, improved dynamics, and greater clarity compared to conventional Bluetooth receivers. Whether listening to high-resolution music files or streaming from a smartphone, the audio remains rich and engaging. Another major strength is its audiophile-grade DAC performance. The receiver incorporates a premium ESS Sabre 32-bit and 384 kHz digital-to-analog converter that reproduces music with outstanding precision. Vocals sound natural, instruments are accurately placed within the soundstage, and subtle musical details become more noticeable. In addition, the Cirrus Logic digital processing helps maintain excellent quality through both optical and coaxial digital outputs. The Blume Pro also excels in premium design and connectivity. Its anodized aluminum enclosure feels solid and sophisticated, while the built-in OLED display provides useful information such as codec status, sampling rate, song details, and connection information. RCA, optical, and coaxial outputs ensure compatibility with amplifiers, AV receivers, powered speakers, and traditional stereo systems. Bluetooth 5.3 technology and an external gain antenna provide stable, long-range performance of over 100 feet in ideal conditions. With outstanding audio quality, elegant construction, and versatile connectivity, the Auris Blume Pro is an excellent choice for upgrading any high-fidelity home audio system. Number 1. The Audioengine 32-bit Bluetooth receiver is a premium wireless audio adapter designed to bring modern Bluetooth streaming capabilities to traditional stereo systems. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, high-resolution audio support, and flexible connectivity options, this receiver offers an excellent way to upgrade existing audio equipment without replacing beloved components. One of the most notable features is its high-resolution audio performance, supporting up to 32-bit audio playback. This receiver is built for listeners who value detail, clarity, and accuracy. Music sounds clean and dynamic, with well-defined vocals, natural instrument reproduction, and impressive depth. Whether streaming from a smartphone, tablet, or computer, the receiver preserves the quality of your favorite recordings and delivers an enjoyable listening experience. Another key advantage is its advanced Bluetooth connectivity. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 adaptive technology, The receiver provides a reliable wireless connection with improved efficiency and stability. Pairing is quick and simple, allowing users to stream music effortlessly from a wide range of devices. Compatibility with iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS platforms ensures a seamless experience regardless of the source device. The receiver also stands out for its versatile integration options. With both optical and RCA outputs, it can easily connect to stereo receivers, amplifiers, powered speakers, and home entertainment systems. This flexibility makes it suitable for both vintage audio setups and modern sound systems. The included RCA extension cable further simplifies installation and setup. An additional benefit is its dual functionality, allowing it to work as both a receiver and transmitter. This versatility expands its usefulness in a variety of audio environments, combining premium sound quality, dependable wireless performance, and broad compatibility. The Audioengine 32-bit Bluetooth receiver is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a convenient and high-quality wireless audio upgrade. That wraps up our list of the best Bluetooth audio receivers for 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect device to upgrade your audio system with reliable wireless connectivity and impressive sound quality. Let us know in the comments which receiver is your favorite and why. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.